Riri atongoria na muingi wa ithwiro ria bururi marathie na mbere gutetia itua ria thirikari ria kunengerana urugamiriri wa ithii 4 cia cukari kuria igithia kiumbe kwa ihinda ria miaka 30. Riu Kanju ya magavana ni ikirite kirore itua riri ikiuga ngirimiti iria ciikanirirwo gatagati ga thirikari nene na igithia ya ni ikinyanire.
More numbers than him.
Matongoretio ni MWENA wa Kanju ya magavana Ahmed Abdullahi. Magavana ya maugite ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria kuriukia urimi wa igwa na uthii wa cukari icigo-ini iria ithii cikoragwo na uguo kwarahura utonga wa arimi.
As a council, we support the leasing and privatization of sugar companies, public sugar companies. And it's for a very simple reason. We see a privately managed and run sugar company making huge profits. And within 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers of that company, there is a public company, a public sugar company, making hefty losses year in, year out, soaking up taxpayers' money.
Ni mogereire kuga uramati mwega wa ithii icio ni uguteithiriria bururi gukorwo na cukari wa kuigana na uguo gwithema kwihokaga cukari kuma nja wa bururi na au bururi ni urihonokagia dola iria ihuthikaga kugura. Riu makiuria anyiti itemi matikahingicwo ni uteti uri uraingirio mihango-ini ino.
I am sure those that are opposing it are just doing it for politics. If they were in government today, they will also be concerned and they would want to do something about it. So we've reached a stage in this country where, for the sake of politics, we oppose everything that is said and done by those that you are politically opposed to. And as a council, we're saying that should not be the case. We would want to see efficiently run sugar companies in this country so that we save forex that we use to import sugar from countries which we shouldn't really be importing from. We need that money to do other things.
The truth of the matter is that the issue of leasing of Nzoia has just been politicized. Like I said, NIIKINDIRITE sugar, which is in Bungoma, is serving farmers in Trans Nzoia and Bungoma. The people from Trans Nzoia are taking their cane to NIIKINDIRITE where they are paid weekly and the workers are also paid. The way NIIKINDIRITE is private, owned by RAI.
Minister wa urimi Mutaikagwe augite kurumirira kubo gwa thirikari ya urumwe wa kibururi ni kwaiguithaniirio urugamiriri wa ithii cia Nzoia Chemelin Muhoroni na Soni unengeranwo kuri onjoria kiumbe ari njira imwe ya kwarahura urimi wa igwa na guthondeka baita kuri arimi na mieke ya mawira kuri muingi.
These people, the lessees, are going to inject capital in those factories to revive them to the tune of 12.9 billion. 12.9 billion from the private investors. This is money that you and I would have to cough out of our pockets to make those things revive. And you don't have the money. So it would just be wishful thinking on your part. You won't do it anyway.
I think what is very critical for us today is that the farmers be paid their arrears and the workers be paid their arrears. Once that is done, all this that you are hearing will not be there. The shop of lies and propaganda will be forever closed and will not get there again.
Atongoria ya mekwaragia mari mwena wa GICUA-INI hindi ya kigomano kiria kirathie na mbere kia maminista urimi thirikari-ini ciothe cia kaunti 47. Turia kunengerana ithii ici ni undu ukumithitio na njira nene makiria ni atongoria kuma ithwiro ria bururi aria mehitite matigwitikiria kambuni icio iria ciakitwo na thithino ya muingi inengeranwo kuri andu kiumbe na thogora wa igoto. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.